Well, I'm excited today and so should you be. I'm here outside the 5-star Jameos Playa hotel, which has recently had a massive refurb. Jayne and Colin are in one of the new refurbished rooms and they're going to show me around. Let's go and see what the new rooms look like here at the Jameos Playa Hotel, Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote. Let's go. This stunning reception has not changed much apart from new furnishings, but it's still got that colonial Spanish feel with the big light coming through the ceiling. It is absolutely huge, and what a place when you arrive for your holidays. There was a slight delay on the renovations and there's a lot changed which I'm going to show you, but we're going to go down this beautiful wooden staircase and head outside where most of the changes have been made. The biggest change is the rooms, and we're going to go and see Jayne and Colin's newly refurbished room, but just look at this place. Walking through here you feel so relaxed, and this, believe it or not, is the walk to breakfast, dinner and lunch in the main outside restaurant. This has been extended with some new workstations offering some more incredible food. The food here apparently is to die for, and you can enjoy a gorgeous breakfast or a lunch just overlooking the pool area. I have to be honest, I don't know if the pools have changed, but there's a number of different pools in the Jameos Playa, but there is one pool that is brand spanking new, and that is, if you've got little ones, there is a brand new kids pool with all the slides that they can just enjoy while they're here on holiday, and I suppose it keeps them away from the adult side. I have got so much to show you, but this is the new waffle and ice cream station. Yes, I'll say that again, waffle and ice cream. You are going to eat until you drop. But I'm going to go and see one of the new refurbished rooms with Jayne and Colin on the 3rd floor. Let's go. Right, come on, let's get through. We are looking for 3034, I think Jayne said. I think, was it? No, 33. Hang on, it's 3033. I nearly got the wrong room. Good morning. How are you?
You're fine, thank you.
Tell everybody who we've got. Who are you?
I'm Jayne.
And I'm Colin.
Right then, so this is the Jameos Playa 5-star?
Yep.
So before it was 4-star,
Yep.
now it's 5-star. It's been refurbished. It is looking very, very nice. Is the refurbished room better than the old
Yes.
room? Because you two have been here quite a few times, haven't you?
Yeah, about 20 times.
Well, there you go. If anybody's going to show me around the first reveal of a room, it's got to be you two. Who's showing me around?
Me.
Right. Colin? Where are you going?
I'm going down the balcony.
Oh, go on. We'll see you out there in a minute then. Right, Jayne, so this is the entrance, the hallway, where you keep all your luggage. There, look. And should we start in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Go on then. Let's go in the bathroom first. Ooh, wow.
Very posh.
This is proper posh.
Walk-in.
Look at these. I love the sink. Wow, you've even got a little light shade and everything there. Toilet behind the door as well.
Yep.
Out the way, isn't it? And are these the posh towels that you
They're
get?
the posh towels, yep.
Happy
And we get
days.
dressing gowns and slippers as well.
You don't, do you?
We do. Dryer.
Oh.
It's super powered
Let's
now.
have a look at that hairdryer, Jayne.
Because
Come on.
before it was just this little...
So 5-star hairdryers. This is what hotels seem to be doing these days, is actually giving you a real hairdryer. And I'm wondering, Jayne, if anybody has been taking them home.
Well, the other ones were attached.
Yeah, they've always
So I
been
think
attached
these
in
ones
hotels.
could go for a walk.
There you go. Black
really
Mambo
good.
as well.
Yeah.
It must be a hotel hairdryer brand. So now we know if your Mrs TravelON is blowing her hair with a Black Mambo, something is not right. She's taking that from a hotel. So you're going to buy one of these when you get home.
Yeah.
Look, big rainfall shower look. Seaside collection. And I really, really love the tiles as well. Right, oh my gosh, look at this. So these are the wardrobes. Hey, I'll tell you what, you know you're in a posh gaff when the lights come on, look. And these are the robes, look. This is all brand new sort of wardrobes.
And then you've got this wardrobe as well with the safe.
So you've got the safe in here as well.
And that's free now.
What, did you have to pay for that before?
Yeah, it was £2 a day before.
£2 a day?
Yeah.
Let me know you're saving already.
No, it's
That's
free.
what I like. So you've extended your holiday for a week. What about washing your clothes? Is there a laundrette on site?
Yeah, there's a laundrette on site. All the machines are pre-programmed.
Yeah.
I've already got the fluid in and everything as well. So you just push the button, start.
How much are they?
It's free.
Shut up.
Yeah,
a
it's
free laundrette?
Yeah. And it's situated next to the games room.
Okay.
Just past the Blingo
There you
bar.
go.
So, you know, it's...
So you can do a full wash?
Yeah.
For free?
Yeah.
Tell you what, happy days, that'd do me. More mirrors, which Sometimes it's a good thing, Jane. Sometimes it's a bad thing if you're on holiday. Depends how much all-inclusive. Yes. Are you all-inclusive here?
We're all-inclusive, yeah.
Wow. So what does all-inclusive get you at the
So you get all your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. If you go to the Milk Lab, which is new,
yeah,
you get crepes and waffles and stuff like that. So you get all your spirits, beer, wine, all free.
And that's throughout the whole day?
That's throughout.
Pool bars?
Yeah, the Bolingo bar is open serves till midnight now, used to be 11. And the piano bar used to shut at 12, now serves till 1.
Oh my gosh, you're getting an extra few hours all-inclusive as well. Happy days.
Side cabinets are new.
Nice big lamps as well.
Nice big lamps, they're really good.
I like the decor, your little reading lights.
Reading lights.
Look at that. And the beds, are they comfy?
Yeah, really comfy.
2 pushed together though. Do you prefer a double bed or 2 pushed together?
I've never been in Europe and had a double bed.
Haven't you?
Never.
There's a few. Right, has it got the USB plug sockets
on that
in here?
side it has.
So, and then, but on here, look.
That's your English plug socket.
You've got English plug sockets?
Yeah.
No way. Look at that. That is the first time I think I've seen that in a hotel. One less thing for you to worry about, isn't it? Which is, I suppose, what a holiday's all about.
Yeah.
So let's just have a look at what you get here. Obviously, you get your teas, your coffees.
Yeah, and then in here, they refill this every day. They've not done me coffees because I drank them this morning.
So you've got a little machine, like a coffee machine, yeah?
And you get the pods with it, but I've drunk it this morning, so
okay. Do you get the crisps included?
You get this crisps come in with the mini bar.
Happy days. But the mini bar's not free?
It's not free if you're all-inclusive. If you do premium, it's free and it's refilled every day.
Colin's going to tell me about the all-inclusive and stuff like that.
So that's what you get in the mini bar.
Okay, so this is the mini bar
stuff. And the sweeties and peanuts.
But do you have to pay for all of that?
All of that.
That's if you're on all-inclusive. But if you go all-inclusive premium, which we're going to talk about, then you get them for free.
Yes.
Okay.
That's your complimentary wine.
Nice. So that's here when you arrive.
That's always here.
You haven't even drank that.
I haven't. I don't do red. And then the fridge with our stuff in it.
Happy days. Little fridge.
Beers and... So we've took this mini bar out and filled our own stuff.
Well, that's the way forward, isn't it? Because there's a supermarket literally just over the road, isn't there?
There is. You've got Spar, which is perfect.
Spar supermarket, perfectly located.
And then we've got new smart TV.
Right, okay. So was the TV not smart before then?
No.
I love a TV in a hotel. People come at me all the time. Who watches TV on holiday? I like to lie there and watch a bit of TV. Do you watch?
Never used to.
Yeah.
But now we've got smart TV, we can watch YouTube and watch you.
There you go. There you go. You can watch Mr TravelON in wide screen. Look, there you go. So
it's even got my name on it.
Says hello to you. It's all programmed in. Has it got Netflix or just like YouTube?
Yeah, it's got YouTube, it's got Netflix, it's got all the BBC, ITV, Channel 4, Channel 5, Sky News.
Right, you got a little corner chair there. Jane has just said she's never sat in it. I've often wondered what hotel chairs are for. Sometimes they're here, you just have a little seat down, but I suppose if you're waiting for your Mrs TravelON to get ready with the black mambo in the bathroom, well, you can sort of sit here, can't you, and chill out. But I think sitting out there where Colin is the best place because you wait until you see the view off this balcony. It is just amazing. Other side of the bed, you've got another big lamp, little drawer for all your bits and bobs, and I suppose like a little desk if you like. Then you've got the other plug sockets here, but no USB ones. I like the old USB ones, but I suppose you've got UK plugs here. Let me know in the comments, do you want USB plugs or UK plugs? Those are both do the same job, don't they? Right, sunglasses on. These two are waiting out there. Let's go and see. Right, here we go. Well, this is what it's all about, isn't it? I suppose this is your favourite place, Colin?
Well, it is, and we were lucky that we got a room with this view, which I'm sure you can show people now.
Let me have a look. Look at that. That is a view and a half. So you've got Los Pasillos over here. You're a stone's throw, really, from Puerto del Carmen. Probably need a taxi to get there, or you could walk. You've got all your amenities there. There's some bars and restaurants. There's a Spar supermarket. And then there's a whole area just down here, isn't there, with loads of bars and restaurants?
There is, yeah. And there's a back gate out of the hotel by the swimming pool area, which is a shortcut.
Yeah.
And then you've got numerous bars and restaurants and a few shops.
Do you ever go all the way into, like, Puerto del Carmen?
All the time. We tend to grab a cab. It's 5 minutes in a cab and about €6. So you just ask reception, can I have a taxi? By the time you've gone down the stairs, it's there.
Right, so on the terrace, not only have you got these amazing views, you've got 2 big sunbeds, 2 chairs, views out there so you can sit in the sun, and it's quite a sun trap as well here,
Yeah, it is. About 12 o'clock onwards from the time of year, and you've got it all day. The sunbeds, you only get these if you get a deluxe room.
Oh, okay. Do you have to pay extra for a deluxe room?
No, it's extra when you're booking it.
So this is a deluxe room?
Yeah, it's a deluxe room.
We should have said that from the beginning, shouldn't we? I'll have to put it in the title. So this is a deluxe room. What makes it a deluxe room? Do you know the difference between the deluxe room and the normal room? Or is it the view? Is it the position?
I think it's the view. I think it's the sunbeds.
Okay.
That's the difference.
And maybe a bigger terrace then?
Yeah.
There you go. So this is a deluxe terrace. Tell you what, I only bring you to the best spots. So what is the biggest difference with the refurb? What's the biggest thing that they've changed?
The rooms.
I think the rooms. They've done a very good job with the rooms.
So that's why it took so long, because there is a lot of rooms here, isn't there?
Yeah, it holds over 1,000 people.
Well, and it's just all brand new doors and things like that. But I think
we really like the walk-in shower, the fact that it's a wet room shower, which actually does have a proper soak away, so you don't end up flooding the bathroom.
It's gorgeous. Well, Jayne's going to buy that shower when she gets back. So
she's told me.
You're screwed there. You're screwed there. But look at these views. So this is as I said, the Los Pasillos beach. So what's the entertainment like?
Well, last
night
it's
got better this year.
We had
they've refurbed the entertainment as well.
Yes,
then?
we had a rock band
music now.
We had a rock band last night.
Yeah.
We had an 80s group the night before.
Yeah.
The night before that we had ABBA.
Wow.
And then we had a bit of magic.
Happy day. So you get down there, all inclusive, and you're rocking and rolling.
Oh yeah.
So this all inclusive, there's a premium, isn't there?
Yes.
Where's that sheet?
So if you look at the form, it says all inclusive at the top.
Yes.
In premium.
Yes.
So people are getting that thinking they're going to get all that.
Okay.
It's not. You get that if you sign up for all inclusive premium, but you have to do the day on the arrive if you want to upgrade.
Okay. So how much is the upgrade?
It worked out for us £1,000.
Which is 25 per night there, no?
Yeah, if you upgrade. But if you booked it previous, before you come, it was an extra £1,000.
So it's cheaper to book the premium when you get it?
Yes, you've got free access to all the restaurants. You can use they've got a new tapas restaurant in the restaurant area.
Okay.
You get that one visit a week, free, on all inclusive.
Okay.
If you're premium, you get it free all the time. If you use it more than once, you get 30% discount.
I'm taking that home with me. And then I'm going to scan it and put it on the screen for you lot that need to know about this premium upgrade. Is it worth it? And definitely do it when you get here. Top tip already from Jayne and Colin, 25 per night when you get here each. Okay, 50 for two.
So yeah, so with the premium, you get a mini bar. That's all free.
Right.
Only on premium. And you've got free access to every single bar, restaurant, milk lab. You get Grey Goose if you go premium.
So you get the better
yes,
spirits.
You get better spirits.
Do you think it's worth 25 per night in your opinion?
No.
Well, so far, I am so impressed with some of the improvements. I mean, this place was beautiful as a 4-star. Now it's a 5-star. I love the room, but there are so many different things, and I have to come back here and show you in full. But if you've got family with you and kids, you've got this huge games room which has been done up. Sadly, you're going to have to get loads of change, and it's going to cost you a fortune. The kids are going to absolutely love it, and the new pool area as well. Last time I was here, I said that this was probably the most impressive entertainment lounge I have seen, and even this has had improvements. I don't think this could have got any better. With all that food and the waffle station, of course, you are going to need to get in the gym, and this gym is state of the art. Just look at it, and brand new as well. For those of you that want to relax, there's a spa as well, and ladies, you can get your nails and hair done. But let's get back to Jayne and Colin and get their final views on the new refurb of the Jameos Playa. First of all, are you happy with the refurb?
Yes, very.
Yeah, is it a good refurb?
It is.
Does it tick all the boxes?
Yes.
Is there anything you miss?
Yes.
Go on, tell me, Colin, what do you miss?
For us, one bad thing, and I know other people have mentioned this, where the main restaurant is, there used to be a bar which was beside the swimming pool, and there was a lovely seating area which a lot of people enjoyed in the afternoons and evenings. They took the bar away to build another 2 food stations. Those tables are now, in my opinion, wasted, all laid out and no one using them all afternoon.
Right. Okay.
A lot of people have said they miss that bar because it was just the right position for the sun in the afternoon and the evening. So now you have to go to the main pool bar, which is fine, which is between the 2 swimming pools over a little bridge in one direction and a land link on the other.
They don't serve vodka in all the bars, so Daddy's sell them in the pool bar and the Bilingo bar and the piano bar.
Oh.
So if you want to go to Pepe's by the kids area, or you want to go to Milk Lab, it's only beer and wine. There's no spirits. And I'm a vodka girl, so
Well, there
That's
you
no
go.
good to me.
So anyone
No good.
anyone that drinks-
I mean, 3 bars is not good enough for you with
No.
the old vodka, is it? Bloody, how many bars do you want with vodka? What do you want a vodka with your waffle and ice cream? For crying out loud, blimey now. There's always one, isn't there, Jane?
There's always one.
It's always
Don't be
vodka.
me.
It's always vodka drinkers as well. What's the food like here? Because I've always
Food's
heard
really,
good.
really nice. I've never had a bad meal. They do theme nights every night. So you can
Okay.
have German one night. You can have last night was South American.
Wow.
They do a Canarian night.
The food been revamped, or is it the same?
Some
Same
of it's
food, same
better.
quality.
No.
Slightly different, but I think it's even better than it used to be.
They
So,
do
yeah.
they do kebabs now on a spit.
Oh,
They
yeah.
do smash burgers. It's all
Oh.
cooked. So now, whereas before, if it was laid out in trays, you'd helped yourself. Now
Yeah.
it's cooked to order.
And I don't see any bands on your
No,
wrist saying that
our
you're all
own key,
inclusive.
Our door key,
Yeah.
room card,
Covers everything.
So when you're all inclusive, you go for breakfast. Do you have to scan your card?
No,
I don't even do that.
I don't even do that.
Did you hear that? Who's coming for a smash burger and a kebab later? Jeez. So they don't even check?
No.
Oh my gosh. So I am going to come back and do a proper full-on tour of this place. I'm going to go and have a look at the milk lab. I'm going to have a full-on meal as well by the sounds of it. But these two have done me proud, showing me around. We've seen our first look at a brand new room. And if you do show me around your room, well, you get a little present. So I've got a present for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, get ready for this. Right, I think it could be the first ones I've given out in 2026. I'm not sure, maybe I haven't. But if you do want to show me around your room, I do try. I'm getting back to my roots, by the way. A lot of you have said, we miss the room tours. We miss people showing you around. And you do get one of these as well. So, there you go. Get these open, courtesy of Mrs TravelON. Look, not only have you got my face on your
wow.
case, you have got my mug on your mug. Give us a little pose
Brilliant.
with them, look. Shing them together, look.
Cheers.
Thank you for showing me around. That was the Jameos Playa, now 5-star, now fully refurbed room. And like I said, I am going to get back and show you this whole hotel. I'm going to come back nice and early in the morning, have a good look around, and then get myself a full English breakfast. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. If you want me to come and have a look at your room, I do try. We got there in the end, didn't we?
did.
I'll tell you what, I need to sort my bloody life out. This is how it's going. We are going to do more of these because they're loads of fun and it's great to meet proper people on holiday. Don't just listen to me yapping on. These two have been here plenty of times and they're on holiday. I just piss and moan around the streets. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Give us a wave.
Bye.